Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha, and if you want to learn this Medusa tutorial, stay with me till the end of the video. And without further ado, let's get this started. First, we will start with skin prep because it's the most important part of doing heavy makeup. And if you're doing Halloween makeup, yeah, make sure to prime your skin. I'm using Maybelline Baby Smooth Primer, Pore Eraser actually. And yeah, it helps your makeup stay longer, stay fresh, and your foundation does not get absorbed into the skin. For the foundation, I'm using Ingrid Illuminating Foundation, a really good long lasting foundation, especially for these kind of cosplay makeup. So make sure to blend it really well with the beauty blender. So you can see that I'm blending it really well, and the beauty blender is damp. So if your foundation is blended well, then your makeup will turn out really nice. And now I'm setting the foundation all over my face, but yeah, that's lava ma'am. And so setting my foundation especially under the eyes, but yeah, literally all over my face. And now for the green part, so I'm using this Revlon eye shade and cream. It's a green shade, but the consistency is cream because it's gonna help stick the powder green eye shades that I'm gonna use on top of it. So make sure to use a brush and make the lines wherever you have to put the green foundation. It's really important. Why? Because it helps you stay like focused that where you have to put the green. So yeah, do it very well. And now for the powder green, I'm using this Maybelline's Blue Lagoon eye shade because I don't have the exact green shade for Medusa makeup. So yeah, I have to resort to these things. So yeah, use it really well on the green that you have used. And now on top of it, I'm going to use another green shade. Yeah, it's from a brand called Zay Beauty, but you can use any other green shade that you have available. So blue, green, and different shades of green and blue, it's going to give a really nice contrast. And make sure that the green is actually sticking well. And because the snake has a little bit of glittery gold in the in its like skin, so I have used the gold shimmery shade on top of the green base, and you're just dotting it. You don't have to actually mix it in, you just have to dot it and it will do. And now the black snake marks, and like most of the things I didn't have the exact black net, so I got creative and used my vest. And you can use any other thing that you have and make the dots just like a snake. And now to the eye makeup. Look into my eyes if you dare. Do you feel it? The pull, the fear, the temptation. So yeah, I have used the brown eye shade first to create the transition shade, and then use a black one, and then mixing the black and the brown together, so it's going to give a really nice blended smoky look. And now I'm doing my eyes in gold, like half an eye, starting from the inner corner, taking it towards the middle of the eye. Basically, it's I have created half green and half gold. So I have done the outer part green and then a part gold, and the eyeliner now. So I've used the emerald green eyeliner, really beautiful eyeliner from Sapphire Cosmetics. And I have done a siren shape eyes. And now on top of the gold, I have actually used the NYX gold glitter. And on top of the green, I have used the NYX emerald glitter. So as to accentuate the already gold eye shade that I have used before. And I think it looks really beautiful. So yeah, do use it when you're doing Halloween cosplay. And now the dark lips. So I am using my favorite MAC Antique Velvet over here because I have to use black eye shade on top of it. um you can use any other black eye shade. All right, I'm gonna link the name in the description below. I don't exactly remember it right now. So yeah, use it really well on your lips, and the the lipstick that we have used before is gonna hold the eye shade together. So that's the trick, my dear. You can see how snake-like it's looking, so gorgeous. Yes, that's the snake face. And now we are almost done with the makeup, just a little mascara and a little bit of touch up, and we are done. And yeah, for the mascara, I'm using the usual Maybelline Colossal Mascara. You can use eyelashes if you want to, but you know me, I don't like using it. Oh yeah, I forgot the Medusa Tears. So for that, I've used the already gray eye shade and made marks with it. Why? Because it's gonna hold the green eyeshade that I'm gonna use on top of it. So I'm going to use green and gold eyeshade. I wanted to use glitter, but it wasn't actually looking really well, so I just decided not to use it. You can see how I'm doing the green on top of it. And once I'm going to model for Medusa, I'm going to do green light when she's in the snake form and normal light when she's more human like. Yeah, so yeah, that's the idea. So you can totally skip the Medusa tears if you really want to, but I think it gives much more tapped into the makeup this way. And we are done, but I think I was missing a little bit of like green and gold from here, so I added it. And yeah, we are done. So just blend it really well. And we are done. Yeah, now. And look into my eyes, dear. Do you feel it? The pull, the fear, the temptation. Once these were human, soft, innocent, blind to the dangers of the world. But now, they see everything, every fear, every desire. Once you look, you cannot escape. I'm your fate now. Let your gaze fall upon me, and in return I shall give to you eternal stillness. One look, that's all it takes. So this brings us to the end of our video. I hope that you've enjoyed it, and if you have enjoyed it, don't forget to put a thumbs up to it and subscribe to my channel. And until we meet again, take care of yourself. Love you guys, and ciao.